We are looking at the question number 3 of equilibrium of IB diploma HL level. So we have been given again this similar kind of equation. What does it mean? Similar kind of equation means which we are very familiar with. H2O in the liquid phase is in equilibrium with H2O in the gaseous phase. Okay, sorry, I have written in the different manner. That doesn't matter. What will be the effect? Okay, so I think let me correct it. Okay, so I'll write this is gaseous and this is liquid. Okay, gaseous and liquid. Okay, now it is being asked what will be the effect on the equilibrium of increasing the temperature from 20 to 30. Okay, so we have seen that whenever there is an increase in the temperature, okay, it directly impacts Kc. Okay, and because of that, more of more of a liquid will start getting converted into the gaseous. Okay, and so the straightforward impact we have seen that whenever there is increase in the temperature, more of a liquid will start getting converted into the gaseous phase. Simple. Okay, so let's look into the various options. Option A, more of the water will be in the gaseous state at equilibrium. Yes, that is correct. Let's try to eliminate the other options. More of the water will be at the liquid state at equilibrium. Wrong. At equilibrium, the rate of condensation will be greater than rate of evaporation. Absolutely wrong. That is not the definition. At definition, rate of condensation will be equal to rate of evaporation. At equilibrium, the rate of evaporation will be greater than this. Again, wrong. Okay. So it's very, very simple question. Okay. We know that as temperature goes up, increase this one, the more of a liquid will be getting converted into the gaseous. Okay. Simple. Hope it is quite clear to you. If you are interested in looking into similar kind of questions, please do visit our website leadib.com. Link has been provided in the description. Thank you.